Hi, students. This is Dr. McCoy-Wilson, and we have made it to the end, basically. I am here to provide further clarification for your final essay, the reflective essay. So stay tuned. So, what is the reflective essay all about? Well, the purpose of the reflective essay is to explain how the process of completing your research project has affected your understanding of an issue or event in society. That same issue or event that you wrote about and researched in your research paper. And so I have a couple of suggestions for how to organize this essay. So this is my first suggestion on how to organize it. Of course, like I've said before, all essays really are either 5-paragraph essays or extended 5-paragraph essays. They include an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So the introduction should gain your reader's attention, orient the reader to your topic, and state your thesis. So this first suggestion is about both suggestions are about what you might focus your reflection on. So you might focus each body paragraph on a step of the research process and how that step affected your understanding of the issue or the event. So then the first body paragraph, step 1 of the research process and how that step affected your understanding. The next body paragraph would engage step 2, and the next body paragraph would engage step 3. And then, of course, the essay's conclusion should answer the question, so what? By placing the essay's explanations into a larger context. And you might also want to accomplish this by considering or addressing a few questions. Will your current understanding of your event or issue affect your future actions or decisions? And if so, how? And if not, why not? What lessons about interpreting current events, about your field of study, about the research process can be drawn from the experience of completing the research project? Or is research of the sort done in this Writing 112 class a worthwhile activity? Why, if you agree, and why not if you disagree? So those are just some of the things you might want to consider in your conclusion. Or you may have something else to leave the reader with a so what or next steps in a larger context. My second suggestion for how you might organize this essay, of course, the introduction, and then each body paragraph could focus on your understanding at a particular time relative to the research process. So the first body paragraph could focus your understanding before the research process. Focus on your understanding before the research process. The second body paragraph could focus on your understanding during the process. And the final body paragraph could focus on your understanding after the research process. And of course, a nice conclusion that leaves us with so what and explanations in the larger context. And so these are simply suggestions. You may have some other way that you want to organize your essay. This is a freer form of an essay than all of the other essays that you've written in this course. Important things to remember. This is a first-person essay. I don't believe that you have written in the first person throughout this class. So this is also a freer academic voice, a freer narrative voice. 1,200 word minimum for this essay, of course formatted in APA, 1-inch margins, double-spaced, 12-point font. The mantra again. And your essay should include an APA title page. That's it. That is all there is to the reflective essay. You're basically practicing the art or the practice of reflection. Good luck to you, and I can't wait to read these essays.